Hey there! Welcome to Comet Development. In this video, I will be showing you how to get a free domain that is also a best Freenom alternative. Go to eu.org and sign up. Now, go to your mail inbox and validate your account. Store your contact handle that will be used to log into your account. Now, log in with your contact handle and the password which you entered while registering. Enter the complete domain name which you want with the ending eu.org. This domain provider does not provide DNS server to add your own records. So, we need a DNS server. Go to hostery.com to get a free DNS hosting. Log in if already you have an account or sign up. Now, log into your account. Now, click on Services and select Free DNS. Enter the same domain name. Add these records in eu.org page and also check server name. Don't forget to create DNS in hostery.com. Now, click Submit. You have to wait for 1 to 2 days for your domain request to be accepted. My domain request was accepted and I received the mail in 12 hours, but it may take up to a week to accept your domain request. Now, let's change the DNS to Cloudflare. To do that, go to dash.cloudflare.com. Log in if you already have an account or sign up. Click on Add Site and type in your new domain name. Now, change the name servers to Cloudflare at eu.org. The name servers have changed successfully. It will take some time to start working in Cloudflare. Our domain is ready in Cloudflare now. You can use Cloudflare to add DNS records for your domain. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video, comment down and don't forget to subscribe.